sa Balanga. Any initial impressions or reactions from the PIPA officials, AFC officials, and why this is helping itong pagtatayo nga ng PIPA Arena sa Balanga and another one sa Puerto Princesa to further strengthen yung football development sa mga provinces?
Well, like I mentioned earlier, no, ang pinakapahirap sa grassroots, in any sport I suppose, is the facility, the infrastructure. Etong FIFA Arena project, it's perfect for grassroots because to start football, now, international standards, it should only be a small-sided game. As a matter of fact, we now dissuade kids under the age of 13 to play 11-a-side. Dapat, the size of the pitch is age-specific. Until the age of 10, we should only be playing 5-a-side. And then we transition to 8-a-side. And then, when we are good enough, when we have the fundamentals, we go to 11-a-side. So, yung FIFA Arena concept is perfect for talagang grassroots. And again, after we're done with the two FIFA arenas, which is Balanga and Malawat, and the counterpart from the AFC, 5 this year also, we will ask FIFA to maybe award us more FIFA arena projects.
Sir John, of course, with the gold medal ng Pilipinas dyan po sa SEA Games plus of course the hosting of the recently concluded FIFA Women's Futsal World Cup, tinitiyak ko ba natin na of course lalobo pa ang mga women's football players na dito sa ating bansa and all those who are interested in this sport?
Of course, I think more than anything, it's the interest and the hope is what the gold medal of the SEA Games has accomplished. No? Bukod sa karangalan, makikita na mga bata sa atin na kaya pala ng Pilipinas. Kaya pala ng Pilipinas. So it's truly a remarkable story. Can you imagine? Four straight championships sa Vietnam. Diba? Tayong pumigil. So, I think to mga kids around the Philippines, they will realize, they have realized that the Filipino can do.
Lastly, to our good Chairman Pato, sa mga infrastructure projects natin, of course, nandyan ang Rizal Memorial, nandyan ang PhilSports, at napatunayan natin doon sa hosting natin na kaya tayong makapag-host tayo ng mga world-class events, gaya nga yung WTA. So, ano ba ang mga assurance natin? Of course, the partnerships, tuloy-tuloy na yan with SUCs and even the private organizations na they are taking interest to help develop nga yung mga sports facilities through the help of the PSC. Salamat po.
Yeah, thank you, Gab. Alam mo, katulad nga po ng sinabi natin, ang realization natin, and I'm sure you also realized it, ang dami nga namang lupa ng gobyerno. Kulang lang yung focus na why not develop part of it as a sports facility. That is why ngayon you have BCDA, ang daming lupa, UP, ang daming lupa, state universities and colleges, ang daming lupa. PSC po ang dyan ang mag-i-enable sa kanila Pero kailangan po, nandun ang LGU. Kailangan po, nandun yung NSA na sinabi, kailangan namin yan, Chairman. Importante sa amin yung football pitches all over Mindanao. Itaan nyo naman kung gaano kadami sa Mindanao. I'm sure matutuwa lahat ng mga kababayan natin sa Mindanao. So, yes, help me deliver the good message that we will pursue developments of regional training centers or particular sport. Ulitin ko po kasi maraming nalilito. May mga sinusulat po sa atin, humihingi ng budget for infra, mega stadiums. Hindi po natin gagawin yan. We have no time, we have no funds to develop major infra projects in the provinces. Ang gagawin po natin, tatapusin po natin yung mga projects na hindi natapos. Kaya kinulang po ng pondo, makikipagtulungan po tayo sa LGU, sa DPWH, at makikipagtulungan po tayo sa National Federation.